In this example, we're asked to use cosine law to find side B. We see that this is a side angle side sandwich, so I know for sure that this could use the cosine law. Let's sort out our information by sticking everything in the information box. So I've set up AA, BB, and CC. We know that we're looking for side B, and I don't have A, I also don't have C. But in our cosine law, it only involves one angle. So as long as I have my one angle, the other two angles don't matter. So I can cross out A and C. Little a is equal to 4 meters. Angle B is 77, and side C is 2.5. Now remember, when it's our cosine law, if I'm not using A, I need to rewrite my equation so that it corresponds with the diagram. Now in this case, I'm looking for side B, and I'm given angle B. So my cosine law needs to look like this. I have B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. So the B is sandwiching everything on the inside. I have a little b on one side and a capital B for angle on the other side. Now I'm going to insert the rest of my information. I have B squared is equal to 4 squared plus 2.5 squared minus 2 times 4 times 2.5 times cosine 77. Let's simplify. B squared is equal to 16 plus 6.25 minus 20 times cosine 77. Now, I'm not going to simplify this yet because I know that with something like cosine 77, I'm going to have a large decimal. Instead of rounding it, I'm going to type it all into my calculator at one point so that I don't have to round so many times. Now, b squared, let's undo the b squared by taking the square root. So b is equal to the square root of 16 plus 6.5 minus 20 times cosine 77. Put this all into your calculator. Remember, you're putting brackets for the inside, so your calculator knows you have to take the square root of the whole thing. And we have b is equal to 4.21 meters. So what we did first, we had to decide on an equation. We rewrote it so that it would correspond with the letters that we were looking for. Then I substituted in the values that I had collected in my information box. I simplified, and then I had to use algebra to solve. Now, when you're solving, remember that 20 cos 77 would mean 20 times cos 77.